Hey, what's going on guys? Nick Foy here from AskNickFoy.com, and in this video we're going to be diving into 5 methods for making money from your blog. So the first method that I would recommend starting out for most beginners is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's simply just promoting other people's products as an affiliate, and in other words it's called like a referral program. So what you're doing is you're just out there on your blog promoting somebody else's product, and in return they're going to reward you with a commission or a percentage of each sale that results from your blog, from your promotion. So for example, let's talk about Amazon. Amazon has an affiliate program where you sign up. It's called Amazon Associates. Once you become an Amazon associate and you're an affiliate for them, you can go back to Amazon, and any product you click on, there's going to be an affiliate stripe bar at the top of the page, and that's going to have an affiliate link. So this link has some special code in it that tells Amazon your associate ID, so it lets them know that this is a link that an affiliate is sending traffic from. So when you put that link into your blog post, somebody clicks on it, they go to Amazon, and then they buy that product, and you end up getting a percentage of the sale. Amazon's way of saying thank you for referring a customer to us. So that's what you can do, in your niche. You could find different bloggers, different, course creators who might have online courses that they sell, and you could promote their courses as affiliates for them. These are going to be higher paying affiliate fees. If you do Amazon, they only pay like 4% commission, so it's real low. So if you were to, promote a $10 ebook on Amazon, you're going to get 40 cents for every ebook you sell. So it's real low. I'd recommend, looking for some higher priced affiliate products that you can promote to make it worthwhile. But one of the benefits of using affiliate products initially is to learn how to sell. You're selling somebody else's product that's already proven, it's already established, they're already successful selling their own product. So the product's not the issue. People want the product. The issue is how well you can sell it. So that's where it comes down to, learning sales skills online, how to market it into your blog posts, how to write good call to actions, good copy. And from there, you can build skills on selling other people's products while you're working on building your own behind the scenes. So that would be, step 2 is trying to sell your own products. So after you get a feel for selling affiliate products, in the meantime, you could start working on like an online course. So this would be taking knowledge that you have on a particular subject and knowing that there's other people out there who are complete beginners on the same subject that need your help. So from there, you're just going to film a bunch of videos where you give different lessons, and then you piece those lessons together where the module has all these different lessons that are similar to each other, and someone's going to progress through that course then, and they're going to be able to learn, on whatever subject it is you're teaching. So you don't have to be a complete expert to sell online courses. You just have to know more than somebody else. So you're targeting beginners who are, brand new to something just like you were at one point. And now you've acquired experience and knowledge that you're going to share with them in this online course, and then you're going to promote it on your blog. Step 3 would be ebooks. Same concept. Instead of putting it into like a video course format, instead you could put it in an ebook format where you type things out in like a Word doc or a Google doc. Once your book's typed out, you could add pictures to it. You can edit it, headings, edit the font size, the font colors, and then from there you can submit this file to some kind of ebook publishing site. So Amazon is a good place to start. This is where I started selling my first ebooks that were earning me a few $100s per month. And they've got Amazon Kindle publishing, so you create a free account, you upload your ebook there, and every sale you make, they're going to take 30% of the revenue and you get 70%. So if you're selling a $10 book, you'll get $7. Amazon will take $3. And I think it's a fair deal because they're driving most of the traffic to your book when you host it on Amazon. You can also put affiliate links to your own ebook in your website on your blog articles so that people on your blog click that link, they get taken to Amazon, they buy your book, and then you also get affiliate income selling your own products. So that's kind of a way to double dip. Or, you know, you can sell the ebook in your own e-commerce store if you want to collect 100% of the fees. I would still recommend uploading it onto Amazon and then having a separate book you sell on your own website. That way, the ones that on your website that sell, you'll get to keep, you know, 95% of the profits once you subtract out your credit card processing fees for Stripe or PayPal. But if you sell it on Amazon, they're going to take 30%. If you sell it on your website, you're going to get 95% and only have to give up a little bit. So I'd put it on both platforms, Amazon to start, and also on your website. So as your website gets more and more traffic, you can start making more and more sales. Now, step 4 would be sponsored posts. So once your blog starts getting lots of traffic to it and it becomes kind of that authority site, you know, the popular go-to site, it's well known, companies will start contacting you wanting to advertise on your website. They'll want you to write a blog post about a specific topic related to their company, and they want their company brand mentioned in that blog post. So it's kind of like a way of writing a sponsored or advertising blog article where you're promoting a company instead of promoting your own stuff for once. And they'll pay you a fee. You know, maybe you can charge $100, $200, maybe $500 to publish an article for them, depending on how much traffic you're getting and how much value that would be creating for that company as a result of all your visitors seeing that company being sponsored in that article. And then lastly, step 5, we've got ads. So AdSense, you know, you'd sign up with Google. They've got Google AdSense. You'd then have to take a little code pixel that you paste into your web page, and then Google starts displaying ads wherever you paste that code. So if you want to paste it in the sidebar of your blog, you can do that, and then ads will start showing up there in your sidebar, or you could stick it in different sections of your blog post. The downside to this is people get annoyed when they see tons and tons of ads as they're scrolling through a blog post. I'm sure you've been annoyed before with ads on a website. So that's kind of the downside. The other downside is it takes lots and lots of traffic to be successful with ads. You have to have, you know, hundreds of thousands of visitors stopping by, because then if a small percentage of those visitors click on the ads and you're earning, you know, pennies for every click, it takes a lot of traffic to make a decent living online using ads. So ads are one of the things you want to, you know, hold off on, eventually get to them way down the road once you've established your blog and built it up and have lots of traffic coming to it. But in the meantime, I would focus on, you know, like I said, number 1, affiliate products while you're building your own products. Once you've got your own courses, your own ebooks, you can start promoting those in addition to affiliate products. And then from there, if you get companies reaching out to you to do sponsored ads, you can go ahead and start doing a couple sponsored posts here and there, but let them know that, you know, to preserve the integrity of your website and not have it be spammy, you don't do very many sponsored posts. So therefore the rates are higher. So that way you can charge those $100, $200, or $500 just to post one article for a company. And they will likely say yes, and they'll pay it, since it's an exclusive thing that you don't do very often. And you know, they're gonna feel a little bit higher end having to pay that higher price to be one of those exclusive companies that actually gets on your website. So those are the 5 ways that you can start making money blogging. And you know, like I said, start off with affiliate marketing and selling your own products. Those are the 2 most profitable methods, and we'll cover more on that later in another lesson. So thank you for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you know, hit the like button if this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.